Thank you, the Honorable Attorney General and Minister for Communications, Honorable Ministers, representatives of the television and broadcast communication industries, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bulavinaka, and very good afternoon to you all. Today I'm proud to announce the latest breakthrough in broadcast communications in Fiji, the start of a large-scale public trial of digital television. The vehicle is called the Walesi platform, named after the original Itoke word for wireless. In fact, when wireless radio first started broadcasting, and because it was such an innovation, the producer for Fiji One, which was the Itoke language station, was known as Ratu Walesi. Although today, of course, is about the implementation of a state-of-the-art television service, another milestone for Fiji. While other countries in the region may have digital TV, it has been set up by private companies. We are the first Pacific Island government to invest in the infrastructure for digital television at a national level. Not only have we invested in the infrastructure through our state-owned company, Walesi Limited, but we have also invested in the latest compression technology, which I'm told has the potential to return a better picture quality than what is seen in Australia. And this is enhanced picture quality. This enhanced picture quality will be available to all Fijians. So you're really watching better TV than the Australians. On Monday, the trial in the Suva Nandi corridor will commence before the full service is officially launched for the rest of the country later in the year. This is a trial period before we take the service national. So while those living in the Suva Nosori corridor will be able to access the service from Monday, I ask those living in the rest of the country to be patient. And we will soon bring digital television to you as well. To access the digital television platform, you will need a set-top box, which will be available from retailers for a maximum price of $99.95. Is that the one down here? Where is it? That's one. Yeah. To ensure that all Fijians will have access to digital television, the Fijian government has allocated $2 million to provide low-income households with a set-top box for free. And we are working with the Water Authority of Fiji, Fiji Electricity Authority, and the Ministry for Women and Children and Poverty Alleviation to finalize this initiative. And the details will be revealed in the next couple of days. But along with the better picture you receive, sharp, clear, digital quality, and also better sound. The other main benefit of digital TV will be more choice of channels. 2 each for FBC and Fiji TV, along with the existing single channel for MyTV, in a better quality than the current analog service. And the reason why we are here today is that we've decided, in the interest of transparency, to allocate the numbers of these channels for the trial service in full public view. So my next task is to pull the names out of the barrel to match the numbers. 2 balls for FBC, 2 balls for Fiji TV, and 1 ball for MyTV. That's a lot of balls, eh? FBC, you got 2 balls. So let's do it. Okay, just one?
Just one. Just one.
Yeah. FBC. If you're in the Suvarnasinu corridor, it's just in time for the Olympics. But for those of you who can't access the service, you really don't have to worry because it is not going to make any difference in the medal count. And whether you're watching in digital or analog, it's still going to be the most exciting Olympics ever for Fiji. And the sweetest of victories if we win gold. Thank you, happy viewing, and God bless you all. Thank you.